Welcome students, I am Satish Kumar Sinha, physics teacher. Today we are going to discuss the first chapter electricity. The word electric comes from the Greek word electron, which means amber. Ancient Greek philosopher Thales found out that when amber is rubbed with wool, it develops a strange property of attracting tiny bits of dry paper, dry pieces of leaves, etc. The property of rubbed substances due to which they attract light objects like bits of dry paper or piece of leaves is called electricity. Electric charge. Electric charge is the physical property of the matter that causes it to experience a force when placed in an electromagnetic field. Electric charge is a scalar quantity and it is denoted by letter Q. SI unit of electric charge is coulomb. An electric charge is of two types, positive charge and negative charge. A proton has positive charge, that is plus E, and electron has negative charge. Properties of electric charges. Like charges repel each other, unlike charges attract each other. Conservation of electric charge, quantization of electric charge. Q is equal to Ne, where Q is equal to electric charge, that is the magnitude of electric charge. E is equal to charge present on one electron, that is minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. And N is the integer, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And the fifth property is additive property of charge, that is additive nature of charge. Electric circuit. A continuous and closed path of an electric current is called an electric circuit. Now one problem which is based on the formula I is equal to Q by T. A current of 0.5 ampere is drawn by a filament of an electric bulb for 10 minutes. Find the amount of electric charge that flows through the circuit. Solution: in this question, current I is equal to 0.5 ampere, time T is equal to 10 minutes. So first we convert minute into seconds. 10 into 60 is equal to 600 seconds. I is equal to Q by T, so Q is equal to IT, which is equal to 0.5 ampere into 600 seconds. So it is Q is equal to 300 seconds. Electric potential. If two charged conductors are joined by a metallic wire, that is copper wire, the direction of flow of electrons is determined by a quantity called the electric potential. In this figure, there are two charged bodies are there. One is A body, another is B body. A has excess of negative charge, B has excess of positive charge. So electron A is a conductor A is having excess of electrons is said to be at lower potential, while the other conductor B having deficit of electrons or excess of protons is said to be at positive or higher potential. The electric current flows from a region of higher potential to a region of lower potential The flow of charge continues until the potential of the two conductors becomes equal. The definition of electric potential. The electric potential at a point in an electric field is defined as the amount of work done in moving a unit positive charge from infinity to that point. SI unit of electric potential or simply potential is volt. Electric current, the rate of flow of electric charge through a conductor, is known as electric current. Formula of electric current is equal to electric charge by time, that is I is equal to Q by T, and SI unit of electric current is ampere, and it is a scalar quantity. Definition of 1 ampere, actually I is equal to Q by T, so 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb per 1 second. So when 1 coulomb of charge flows through a conductor in 1 second, then current passing through the conductor is said to be 1 ampere. 1 milliampere is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 ampere, and 1 microampere is equal to 10 to the power minus 6 ampere. Thank you.